Now we're ready to mark our next row. So with this, we recommend you use a sticker. Your machine, your Quilt Motion setup came with some stickers, but you can also use your own if you have some you like better. Take your sticker and place it underneath your needle. Doesn't have to be exact, just under the needle. And then click on single stitch. You've got a single stitch and then pull your machine away, and it left a hole in your sticker. That's important. Click next, then the machine will move itself over to the left side. When the machine stops moving, you're ready to place your next sticker. So again, slide the sticker under your needle. It doesn't have to be exact. Click on single stitch, and it will give you that single stitch. Now you hit next.